My project on the bluebird research team is to find if there are relationships between distances from potential anthropogenic noise and bluebird reproductive success. The objective is to quantify the effects of potential anthropogenic noise on bluebird reproductive success. Reproductive success is defined as the number of offspring fledged. Anthropogenic noise can come from human noise pollution on the environment, such as roads and buildings. These areas also create edge habitats, which are preferred by bluebirds. These habitats could become ecological traps if there are negative effects on fitness. There are 54 nest boxes throughout Penn State Ag Progress Days fairgrounds. These boxes are checked daily for the presence of a nest, eggs, hatchlings, and fledglings. Distances to main road, nearest secondary road, and nearest building are measured in ArcGIS. There are additional species such as house sparrows and tree swallows that are included to give a comparison. The results found that bluebirds nest an average around 500 meters from the main road, 25 meters from a secondary road, and 75 meters from the closest building. House sparrows nest an average of 300 meters from the main road, 15 meters from a secondary road, and 50 to 100 meters from the closest building. Tree swallows nest an average of 300 meters from the main road, 20 meters from a secondary road, and 150 meters from the closest building. In conclusion, bluebirds stayed the farthest from the main and secondary road, tree swallows stayed the furthest from the buildings, and house sparrows stayed close to all human structures. We did not find that reproductive success was dependent on distances to the main road, secondary road, or closest building. There can be seen that house sparrows had more fledglings when further from secondary roads, and tree swallows were the opposite. These findings could be used towards conservation for predicting nesting behavior for birds like bluebirds that are critical to ecosystem services like pest control. House sparrows, on the other hand, are invasive and may be attracted to areas that have more buildings. This would be less beneficial than providing areas for birds that commit ecosystem services. Thank you for your time.